Hi everyone, Sean Kennett here from the YouTube channel Java SE Certification Training. In this video I'd like to look at a question from the N2R 2.1155. It's from their OCA question bank for Java 8. Which line will print the string mum? So you're given the string S set to minimum and then you're given various options. So what I'd like to do is draw that out and show you what you get from each of those. So, minimum. The first one is s.substring starting at index 4 and then going to 7, but that's exclusive, the second one. So, the way I do that is I start at index 4. That's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 there. And taking 3, 7 minus 4. 1, 2, 3. So that's mum. That is in fact the right one, the first one. Let's look at number 2, which is s.substring starting at index 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, starting there. And it goes to the end because you don't provide a second index. So that's UM for the second one. The third one, this one is going to print I-mum. So basically what you're saying here is take the substring and this is going to come back with a number, much like this one here. So it's an index of within the substring. So find I starting at index 3. That's what that means there. Find I starting at index 3. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3. So it does find I at index 3, so therefore it goes from there to the end because there's no second index. That's I mum for that option, number 3. And the last one is looking for I starting at index 4, but 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no I from there on, so it comes back with -1, which means you will actually get an exception. So let's go back to N2R, and our answer was 1. And there we are correct. So if you like that video, please click like. If you want further content, please subscribe. And any comments, please leave them below. Thanks very much.